What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on? What's going on? Well, we got Riot on the scan. And it's had a nice pre-market, but now it's the open. It needed to pull back. It's been a pretty good steady stream of buying since this dip down here at 2180s, 2190. I do like 2285 though, but let's wait and see. Let us wait and see. Anyway, hit that like button for me, guys, on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. Yeah, man. Three Pony, what's going on? Spy is getting slapped at the open, so not too surprising that Riot is also in the midst of slappage. Ooh, I like that right there, man. It's better down here. He was gonna risk it for the biscuit, you know, get that 2250. That 2250. But these candles are really wide range right now. And really not interested in buying something where the daily is red. So one thing I've learned is I can stay out of a lot of bad trades if I stop anticipating the buyers and just follow them. You know, instead of trying to guess where they're coming in at, wait for them to come in, you know. Yo, Tristan, I saw you online in Discord. I started to message you, man. Good to see you, bro. It's going good, man. It's going good. Last month was my second green month of the year, which, I mean, you know, for a profitable person, that's pretty terrible. But for a person chasing profitability, it's pretty exciting. I think I had my best trade of my career on Friday. So yeah, man, having a lot of fun. Been having some 6R and 5R and 4R days and stuff. It's been you know, it's exciting. Exciting time. So what's up, man? You back in the seat? WXM in the hall. Wow, that's a luxurious gap up right there. Luxurious. 9.9. Way down there, baby. Way down there, baby. That's what's up. What's your average, OG? Look at this thing get slapped, bro. Slapped. What up, Trey? Hey, don't forget to hit that like button for me, man. I be needing them likes. I be needing them likes, man. Ah, that's cool, man. Looking forward to seeing you back, man. Trying to learn some of that tape reading from you. Get them bottom buys. 1190. Man, what? OG, you Billy for real. Glad you be doing your thing, though. Billy for real. Yeah, Webull's free. I don't know account minimum. I don't think there really is one. I don't know. I got 20 bucks in my account right now. Been trading since $9. That's what's up. Oh, in Canada is different. Hmm. That's what's up, bro. How much you up? That's the question. Look at this huge sell-off. Ugh. That thing got crushed. That's why I was like, we'll see, Trey. We'll see. Because you just never know, man. Market just took a straight nosedive at the open. Look at right. Hmm. Roller coaster ride, AM. Oh snap! You got scared. What you mean? You sold on this little wick? You ain't get no 12s? Oh man, 1280. Jeez. Got out 1236. Hey, that ain't bad, man. That ain't bad. This is looking a little reversalish, I must say. But man, buying this red daily just seems absurd. Absurd. Yeah, it's trash. This thing just straight trash, bro. Yep, ain't no level. I mean, actually, you got this day right here, 2217. That's way up here. Now we looking at 2046. Yesterday's high way down here. Who wants it way down there? Below all this trading volume. Yeah, this mug got cooked. Cooked. Yeah, I definitely can see that. Higher low after this candle will be a pretty cool little rip. But, you know, I'd be having a hard time snatching my profits off. It's a nice little wick right here, though. Super long. I'd expect a higher low to pull in. Probably back down to 2137s, but what are we trading off of? That was this brilliant question from Trey. What are we trading off of? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That sucks, man. You got this pre-market low right here. 21.90. Yeah, I thought it was pretty nice after this week. I said, uh-oh. Hunting for levels. Gotta catch 'em all. Okay, we got the buyers done stepped in. Buyers done stepped in. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that slappage. Yo, what up, Bobby? Good morning. Did I ask you already, OG, how the feels looking on Webull? Trading these high volume stocks, high volatility. What was that? WXM. Sheesh. Destructo Ray. Got hit with the Destructo Ray. This actually looks like a good close to buy. Over 88. But I ain't feeling it. This 5-minute candle gotta close. And then I need another low after that. So yeah, bro, it's gonna be real hard for me to leave DOS. Man, this looks fire now. That's a pretty aggressive move down though. 3 candles. This candle's high volume, but these two ain't really talking about nothing. Ugh, just the daily looks so bad now. That's a nice little pullback. I was saying down at this level right here. I'm gonna let this 5-minute candle close. I'm just it's hella bearish right now, so chill. Feels crazy sometimes. Pressed buy, didn't get filled. Thought the order was canceled. Ended up getting filled when the price came back down. Dang, that's terrible. Oh, you trade on DOS, Bobby? I didn't know that. Yeah, I'm good on that. Facts. It's looking real buyable over this high right here. It's definitely looking bearish though. Yeah, nah, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Shoot, man, all I got is Riot, Joe. OG trading WXM, or he was anyway. I don't know. Man, bro, Riot is it's kind of looking like a snack down here, bro. Ride was a short. Yeah, it's looking like a ride back to 22 now. I'm gonna wait though. I don't need to be first. I want to be right. I want to be right. Right now, the sellers are in control, from my opinion. From what I can ascertain, 2080. Mm-hmm. I don't see no way in for me on this. Candles is getting narrow though. If that 5 minute close down like that on super low volume, we're talking about 3.5 minutes from now though. That FOMO eating at me. 15% short interest. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, catch you. Bigger test than notes of stocks on the scan. Yeah. Yeah. No. It's just hella. It's hella bearish right now. So I mean, it's just like I'm not gonna be the first buyer in this mode. The first dumb trying to go long. Error transferring your trades to trader view. That's what's up. Aside from the fill lag, huh? We ain't gonna glaze over that, OG. We ain't gonna glaze over that. Cut costs or make more, yeah. I'm just trying to make more, man. Pond been trying to get me over to the prop firm side. I just, ugh. Yeah, me too, Trey. DOS is just like a wonderful thing. Uh, I had to send some emails about that, OG. Ooh, look at that. Mm-mm. See, now what if this hold lows on lower volume? It's like, bro, go long. 330K flow. Wow. This thing is disgusting. It is. I like the 5 now, though. I can't do it. I can't do it, man. I want to buy this right here. I think it's interesting, but I can't do it, man. I can't do it. I'm not doing it. I want to. Look at that. Look at that. The Bears are in control. Patience wins. Now, that might be a climactic end right there. This 5 turning green might be the moment. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. This mug is in an all-out downtrend. I really just the daily being red, I don't want to trade it at all. Just that one thing alone. It's just like, but it's got a good catalyst, you know. But man, all of this stuff is overhead. I had to see some buyers really get serious about this thing. And then, I mean, really, we're talking about a strong green 5. And then waiting for a 2 candle pullback after that. He passed the no stocks on the scan test today. Do boop boop be doo. Uh-oh. Trying to break out the trend line. No, we can find a trade with that. Gotta catch 'em all. Oh, snap. Trend line break. Got some climactic volume here. A bit. A bit. We've seen buyers start tripping over their feet to come in at 21 to buy this thing at all. Low 21.15. Got a double bottom right here. Lower volume, little step down. Still ain't seen no buyers though. This might be the rip. Yeah, there she goes. STIM. Nice daily gap up there. It's 323. Mm-hmm. 247. It's way down there. Definitely looks like the buyers are in control. They took over right here for sure. For sure. But it's up, man. I would expect a pretty significant pullback at this point for I would want to get in maybe around 311. This super high volume wick right here. You know? Something like that. Oh snap. Billy for the win. Did you Billy it, OG? This was a nice little candle right here to Billy over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Billy's getting slapped in the face. Billy's scared. Okay, a little climactic end down here through 21. 2092. Got some elevated buying happening here. Yeah, I would need like a big 5 to take out these volume candles, and then a nice low volume pullback. Probably need to take out this high too. It's got a lot to do, man. I don't think Riot's gonna make it today. Let's get this little stupid thing out of here. That was just for fun. Well, might be another no trade day, man. Market looks like it's trying to recover though. $776.85. Yeah, that's still kind of weak, dog. Really ain't. I'm surprised this thing's still up. Oh, okay. It's still up 8% after all of that, huh? Oh, you trading anything today, Trey? See what your watch list talking about. Nothing on watch today. Dang. Okay, this look kind of cool. A little lower volume on one. I still need the green takeover though. I don't know if it's any hope over here, bro. Got this little high right here. What is this? 2112. Watching some penny trash for science. Okay, SPY making a comeback. Got a little volume change over here on the one. Nice little narrow range candle on the 5. Still gotta do some work for me though. That's pretty good volume for a narrow range candle right there though. That might be it. Let it go. Then one bad one. I know, man. It's rough. It's rough. Yup. It's not rocket science. Hey man, I haven't taken any trades. I'm just, collecting data. That's all I got. I got nothing, man. Still, that's a knife with wavy waves. Yeah, Billy got slapped, and then round two, Billy made it. I guess that wasn't the breakout anymore. But if you bought that breakout, you did all right. You did all right. 34% short interest. El Slappo. That's done. There's your 2080, Rob. Bruh. Bruh. Gotta be. Seems like it wants yesterday's high super bad. 10% short from the top. Yeah, I mean, it went up crazy in pre-market right before the open. I figured it was going to need to pull back, but I did not expect this. We are all going to be. I'm telling you, man, yacht meetup coming soon. Just need about 2.5, 3 years. Nah, I probably should. It shouldn't take that long. Shouldn't take that long. Next summer, we on the yacht. Below 2060 is the next target. Well, just tap 2060 and the buyers came on in. They came on in. Nice little low volume 15 in hammer time. Look like you got to pull back at some point. Okay. Okay. We'll take out this high right here. 21.22. She must have a little hope in me. My wife don't even ask no more, bro. Man, that's super cool, OG. That's super cool. I think my family just realizes that I'm not going to give up. And they're just like, well, here we are. Yep. Don't even mention it no more, Bobby. Ain't no, so how's trading going? None of that. I ain't heard a question like that in probably a year, bro. Solo dolo over here, getting it out the mud. I got me and I got y'all in this game. That's it. But you know, I'd rather have that than hearing stuff like you're wasting your time and when are you gonna give up? It's been years. You know, silence is better than that for sure. So I'll take it. I'll take it. Straight up, Bobby. Can't show no weakness. Wife be like, what's wrong? None. None. I'm good. I'm good. What you mean? Straight. Everything's fine. Not knowing I just hit max loss 3 days in a row and I've lost all hope. Ah. Okay, KK. Okay, this might be it. Dun, dun, dun. Still waiting for some kind of actual factual. The one is crossing over, but I need a little more evidence. Got smoked that day. Oh yeah. QMCO? Nah. Sure didn't. Wow, what a nice gap. Right into Lottie's Stones. 1848. 1630. 1650. This thing got a catalyst. Quantum post first non-GAAP profit since 2023. QMCL. What's the stats on this? Why isn't this on my scanner? QMCO. Market cap 400 million. Ah. That is why. See, we still ain't got no real buyers. If you look at the 5, it's just a minor retracement. Lost 3K in one day. Oh, man. Dang. Man. I think my biggest one trade loss is like 600 bucks. I think it was on Workhorse. It was either Workhorse or Tesla. Now I know I think I lost about that much on both Workhorse and Tesla. I lost on Tesla when they did their reverse split a couple years ago. And right after I sold, man, that mother went crazy. That hurt a lot. That's when I was like, I'm done with Tesla. You're dead to me, bro. Dead to me. QMCO. 24 million float. 464 million market cap. What you got for me, HH? QMCO? All I got is Riot on my scanner, brother. This thing ain't really pulled back since way down here. The instigator, the influencer. Everything else is dead. Oh, you were saying I am looking at the right stock. Ah, you're surprised. That's funny. New 15-minute candle. Oh, I got this on the 30. I can't even see what's happening. That's actually a pretty cool little 2 candle step down pullback there, but so surprised. Hilarious. Yeah, I read the catalyst. I thought it was pretty nice as well. I do like this 15, but not really. It's diabolical. It's definitely just like it's a catalyst. It should go up type buy right here type situation. Yeah, I'm just waiting for some kind of climactic end. Uh, it's pretty good though. Maybe after this 5 minute candle close, if it's got like super low volume, when everything is dying, look for things that should not be dead. So this shouldn't be dead because of the great catalyst. 27 million shares traded. If I traded today, I will lose money. Is that a challenge? Challenging me? It's actually pretty legitimate though. I mean, for a momentary run up. I got quite a few boxes checked at the moment, except for quite a few red flags at the same time. So, you know, it's like just don't do it. But we got the 15 and 5 minute trigger, pretty much same price right now. You make your green later on. And I want this 5 minute candle to close though, but it looked like it's already finna go off. Let's see what happens. Got a minute, 40 seconds. It's holding this area. 15 minute close is 2089. And this goes green, 2090. So 91, the potential entry. Low 74, 73, 70. I mean, I think I want to take 91. If that trash is outperforming right, open is 90, so yeah, it'd definitely be 91. Just the buyers is weak, man. Yeah, sellers still in control. One low volume green amongst a bunch of red. Oh boy. F5 looks promising. 81. Still looking for 91. I'm gonna close it at 15. I just that was like 81. Market's turning too. All right. I like it when the decision gets made easy. Yeah. Counter trend gives an illusion of uptrend. Yeah. I see it, man. I'm waiting for some sign of the buyers taking over. Just not seeing it. Now we got a new low on the day. This thing's cooked, bro. Uh-oh, double bottom. 59, 54. Just send you my money. Yeah. I don't know, man. Looks like it's bottoming out to me, though. It's got to pull back at some point. POE. Yeah. Just really not seeing nothing, though. Hmm. That's cool. Close my eyes then. I'm just waiting for the buyers, man. They gonna step in. They coming. Look at this tiny volume on these two candles right here. Just need that that whale to come in and make some sense of all this. They will in a few days. Uh-oh, here they go. Here they come. Low 54, 51, 46. Yeah, golly. It's looking pretty dastardly. Looking pretty dastardly. This the level they was waiting on right here, Bobby. They was waiting on yesterday's high. They about to come in right now. Right now. What's that other one? QMCO? All right now. No level though. That joker gotta come all the way back. Back in the time. Right. I'm gonna leave it be. Appreciate it, Trey. Gotta stay grounded. Because of the market cap, it's below $1 billion. ATR is good. Relative volume's good. Just a little light on the cap. But it's not like a penny stock, you know what I'm saying? Just sacrificed that. Like, golly. It's a wrap. They said, don't mind if I do. You think so? Yeah, I don't see any buyers stepping in to try and stop them, Rob. I don't see anybody. Huh. Look at that little tiny volume. Confidently going higher. Yeah. I don't know. Market just made a higher low, man. Now, the market's definitely looking like it's about to go higher. For sure. At least for a little while. Okay, look at that. Man, this feel like a buy right there, boy. I ain't doing it. It takes a lot of work to not do anything. Like, I'm exhausted right now. I like that buy right there, though. It does, bro. I'm about to get a cramp, Bobby. NQ. I don't know if I can look at the NQ. Yeah, I can't. Pro level
AMRZ.
toes curled up with FOMO. Show me something. Dang, come. I mean, honestly, I'm not buying without no buyers. And all I see are sellers. So, as much as I'm getting enticed by the 1 minute chart, it's just not enough.
All reds on the 15. All the big volume on the fives coming from red. Hilarious, Bobby. Thank you very much, HH. Appreciate it. It's actually, man, since I've been writing up my charts this past weekend, I definitely felt like something clicked on Friday though. But it's just like I can tell. It's. I mean, it's not like I can tell like I have some spidey senses or something. But I mean, it's right there on the chart, bro. Sellers are in control. You know, it's right there, clear as day. So even if I want to buy, I just can't because that's stupid. Yeah, this thing is done, son. Done, son. Man. Maybe 20 will be the level, huh? Another stock on the scanner. Oh, snap. I ain't even notice. Ain't doing much volume. Oh, terrible daily. Terrible daily. Files form 10Q for second quarter. What's that mean? Make it make sense, FinViz. FinViz got nothing.
TSCO.
FinViz got nothing. TSCO. Whoa. Wowzers. Tractor Supply. Animal Days event to celebrate pets, animals, and all those who care for them. Is that the catalyst? That's from yesterday at 149. Less than 2 mil traded. Surely squeezing though. Man, look at that 15-minute setup though. Gorgeous. Nice little 1 penny lower low. I mean higher low. Yeah, it's pretty. That's pretty. Yeah. Got a couple closes here below yesterday's high. Yeah, I know, man. I was just Trey asked me a question that I've been thinking about is that if the pre-market scan is empty, is that an automatic no trade day? Cause like, sometimes volume comes in after the open, but if the catalyst ain't good enough to get people trading at pre-market, is it really in play? You know? That's what I was thinking. Is it really in play? Well, we've been sitting here for an hour watching this thing go straight down. Spy still looks like a long to me. Spy definitely looks like. Ah, okay. Makes sense, HH.
Okay, got a little bullish sign on the one again. 5 and 15 still looking crazy though. What a dump.
This looks better than right. Yeah. $5.27. It's way down here. Bruh, I ain't even no volume to measure off of. This price action is meaningless. Okay, we got some buyers. 15 looking familiar. This might be the level, man. Yesterday's high.
This might be the level. Yeah, I really want to get into swing trading too. I'm like really excited at the thought of rolling day trading profits into my swing trade account. Yo, Samurai. Hey, that's what's up. Implementing. Start clicking buy. Hey guys, also there's a hype button feature now on videos. If you guys could hit that hype button after you hit the like button, let's see what happens. Maybe we'll get more folks in here and grow our community a bit more. It's been kind of sideways for a while, which is my fault. I get discouraged from doing channel growing activities when I'm not trading very well. I'm not really going for the YouTube money. I actually want to be a trader, so not doing any day in the life of a day trader. You don't see a hype button? I see a hype button when I look at my videos on my other account. From my other account, I mean. I know, right? Well, at least the grind will be documented. Yo, this mug is still going. I guess it won 20. Guess it won 20. Super huge run up to VWAP in the next level too. Be a crazy trade from yesterday's high to 22. Trading it today is suicide. Hey man, I'm just following the big money, man. I start seeing big money pouring into this thing, and the pullback is all light and inviting. We're gonna hop on, but if I don't see nothing good by 11, I'm gonna just go ahead and shut her down. Shut her on down. Yep. 20's gonna be that level. If I was a short, I'd cover at 20. I'm big on the 15. That's this chart right here behind my head. I'm big on it for sure. I will not spike the 15 with my entry.
LEGN.
Legion. Stuff looks soft. Look at that. That looks terrible. It's really nice high volume downtrend though. Really nice. Short seller's dream. Look at that. Boy, I trade the mess out of that.
Trade the mess up. Yeah, it's a wrap, bro. LEGN. It's only got 1 million shares traded, man. Don't nobody care about this. This is Legend Biotech. Looks like they got earnings. Would have been a cool trade to be looking at the open off of yesterday's high. Had to have caught that thing here on the one. Not a great intro. Increasing necessary volume. Yeah. Yeah, I've been slowly, like, I finally put $1 as my ATR lower limit. And yeah, I mean, when I see something pop up with 1 million volume, I'm not even just looking at the chart, you can tell it's just thin. It just doesn't look good. So, I don't think I'm a trip and fall into that. It's just the bottom. 2010. Yeah, shoot, I'm about to lower mine down, niggas. Shoot. Oh snap, we got a new one on the scanner. EW. Looking just like Riot. Except holding yesterday's high. Almost 10 million shares. That's the catalyst. Signs agreement with Siemens Energy to commence work on 20 steam turbines for data center. Okay, so it's another data center stock. The influencer does it again. BW. That's actually kind of cool right there. He'll be showing up in a minute. It's pretty nasty. Pretty nasty though. SPY is going sideways. These are relatively weak. BW kind of look cool. Aside from that, yeah, bro, I can't even do it, man. I'd be mad as heck looking through my journal tagging this trade. What were you thinking about? Why would you buy that? Not a buyer in sight. Ooh. Ooh. There's a buyer. Historical range. Yeah. I see that. Okay, okay. That's a nice little buyer takeover right here. See if it'll translate to the 5. Nice big strong candle over 2050. That would be interesting. BW just made a new low of the day. Right. I want to see green volume bigger than this right here. 2 million, 2 million 5-minute candle. SPY's pushing up. This is pretty nice. This is the strongest showing we've seen. This might be the beginning of something beautiful. Let's stick around for a few more minutes. That's a pretty textbook pullback on the 5. The 15 like trash though. Ain't no stopping now. Shh. Hunting for rabbits. I definitely ain't gonna make no 2 million. This is high. 2046. SPY is moving, man. Told y'all SPY was going on. Elmo Fudd. Yeah, same here. Oh boy. Just do some volume. New hour. 15. Got a 15-minute green candle finally. Surprise, surprise. Oh, nice little strong green close on the 5 over here. I'm still being patient though. I'm not gonna be first. Especially on something that's been getting beat up this bad all day. Man, Bobby, I just like imagine 26. Man, I kind of want to take 26. I don't feel like it makes that much sense for real though. Aside from the green 15. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Starting to see some things. Starting to see some things. Not quite enough to risk the capital. I was really thinking about 26, but I just need to see a little bit more. We're getting close now, though. We take out 2050 and then get a nice little pullback. I started to just go on and take this green 15 right here, but need to see more. Need to see more. Where's knives? I don't know. I don't know. Where's jaw? Hmm.
Ooh-wee. Knives walked away after WXM. Oh, yeah. El Slappo. Came back a little bit, though. 1150. 750. $20.08. All right, we got a volume change over on the 5, but it's still kind of a top wick makes it less alluring. Kind of want to see the green close on the 15 and then a red close after that to see what that looks like and then see what it looks like. Could be here for another 30 minutes waiting on this thing. Is it really? It's got a great catalyst though. You know? It's got a great catalyst. Surprised it didn't come down here and tap 20 though. Came down to 20.08. Yeah, if we take out this high right here and get a higher low pullback, we might be talking about something. At least entertaining with some jokes. Are you not entertained? Global warming is a scam. Well, the SPY is nosediving again. Yesterday's low is 771.62. Got a little ways before we get that low. You don't think so? Based on your extensive research? Low 2015. $2 for this candle close. What's that mean, Rob? The beta. Man, it's really, it's down with a lower high on the 5. Kind of wanted to break 15. Got a little double bottom there at 15, though. Open is 26, so 27 still kind of baby line in the sand. It's lower volume on the green side. So is that bearish or bullish? I don't understand the beta language. Okay. So market's going down, right? It's gonna go way down. Is that what you're saying? Because the market's going way down in this very moment. Well, I would definitely say the ride is ahead of the market, though, if we're talking about moves down since this morning. Okay. It's kind of looking for a test back down towards 8. That's 2007, though. It really just makes sense for it to tap 20 and then mosey on the long. Thanks, Rob. 2005. Twenty 2024. How low am I willing to buy? I really don't want to buy below this yellow line, actually. Double bottom on the SPY at low of day. Next target will be break even. What do you mean? Are you in this? $18.54. That's crazy. Man. Man, this big volume on this tiny little range. It's interesting. 5 minute close in 30 seconds. It's 21. That's 22, 23. Yeah, I am. Mm. There's your 5 minute close, your 15 minute week close. It's gotta break 20 now. Man, this is super low volume. Okay, right there. What up, Knives? Appreciate it, man. It's been a struggle, but I just don't see any high probability situation. So just sitting here. Why do I look so depressed? That's funny. I don't feel depressed. I feel good. Statistical vocabulary. Ah. Yeah, I'm chilling. I mean, it's bad. Today ain't the day for sure. I mean, Riot got destroyed today, to be honest. It's still up 3.4% from yesterday's close, but do more write ups. Yeah, it's definitely over. And there's 20. Uh, tatted on your heart. I'm getting some good from watching this price action play out though. Knives. Seeing all the many places I'm usually tempted in. Yeah, Spy is drowning. About to crack 72.
Use the restroom real quick. Yeah, what up, Stanford? Oh, you took a break from the market altogether? 'This mug is just going down, down, down. Day ones, we're getting him too. Hey, that's what's up, Stanford. This looks like a nice little candle to play. 5 and 15. Uh, 11:22. 15 closes at 11:30. Low of day now is 1996. Nice. 2R is always nice. It looks like the sellers are running out of juice. Still, I ain't really seeing no buyers though. Still gotta have buyers.
At 11:30, if this thing is below 20, shutting it down. Actually, if it's not above yesterday's high, shutting her down. It's time. It's time. Just removed your 200 apartment complex. Nah, just chilling, Rob. Thanks, Knives.
It's a great time for everybody watching Riot to buy. um, I love carrot cake. It is my favorite cake. Mom used to make. I base all the carrot cake I eat based off how my mom used to make it. Yeah, this thing's cooked, bro. Just won't go up. Too many sellers. Pound cake? Man, I've been having a hard time at the gym, Knives. I still been going, but I just ain't been feeling it, man. It's just been brutal, like forcing myself to go. Like forcing. Shaking while trading. That's funny. I need to reestablish some more goals or something in the gym because it's been kind of whack. Man, that's why I need to get back in the gym, man. It's been too much snacking around the house. Wife made some mini cheesecakes last weekend, eating those. Then she picked up some peach cobbler cinnamon rolls from somebody off Facebook. Got me eating that. It's all bad. It's all bad. $30 to break yesterday's high. Got another green on the 15. Possibly. See where this thing's about to go. No trade day for you, Trey? Pretty sure I saw you had nothing on watch pre-market. Can't trade on a day like that. See what this thing trying to do over 20. They buying it a little bit. You gotta buy it a lot though. Now they selling it. Nope, buying it again. 10,000 shares at 22. Five look like it's trying to take back the EMA for the first time today. With that daily, you don't care who buying. I know, right? Yeah, forget it, man. I just see a trade over this high, 2043. It just needs some big volume to come in to make it happen, though. Man, that's what's up, Knives. I'm feeling it. If he closes it. If I look hard enough, yeah, this is true. But now we're getting some increase in volume. Just need to see price move also. It looked like the buyers might be trying to step in here. I just feel like I might as well wait till tomorrow. But if you really wanted to buy this joint, it's a pretty good price after gapping up to 2023. Yeah. Okay. They buying it, bro. Spoke too soon. Trying to learn bottom bounces. Nah, I just want to, just a support trade. If it can get back over yesterday's high and pull back, and you see a whole bunch of buying volume come in. It's just so late in the day, though, man.
Yeah, this ain't worth the risk. Ah. That's funny, Knives. What did I learn today? No buyers, no trade. Yeah, today was different. It was like I really been putting the work in of defining what actually should get me into a trade, and I just didn't see it. It just wasn't there, man. And I wasn't just gonna take I wasn't just gonna gamble and buy it because I wanted it to go up, you know. So yeah, it was a pretty good day. Pretty good day. This is something that I've been wanting to see in myself for a long time. To be able to not trade. Yeah. Yeah. 2 days in a row, no trade day. Hopefully we don't lead to a crash out. Nah, I feel good though. Where's my calendar up? Yeah.
Well, so far we haven't lost any money this week. And it's Wednesday. Oh, well, tomorrow's Wednesday. So that's good. Oh. Dang, man. I was really excited about today just to see if I could do it again. I was more tempted than yesterday today, but it still was pretty easy, I think. I don't know. It was just a lot of processing going on the whole time, just thinking and evaluating and kind of thinking of what would have to happen for this to create a setup. And then that not happening, and like, all right, from here, what would have to happen? That's not happening. All right, from here. And it just never. Definitely can't be making decisions on the one. So that was cool. Like, I like the one because I get to see all the data. I get to see where all the volume's coming in. But definitely can't be making trading decisions based on the one because the one hinted at buyers coming in a lot. Just if you look at the higher time frames, the 5 and 15, it wasn't happening. So tiptoeing into profitable trader status. Yeah. I feel it. Yeah, it's like playing a game with limitless possibilities. And you just to not try anything, it's just like, man. But just seen it so many times, man. The difference is definitely the work, man. Definitely the work. Obviously. Obviously. You are hilarious, Rob. Borrowing is allowed. Borrowing is allowed, but selling something you don't own is not allowed. So how do you weasel around that? I'm borrowing the stock to sell it to this person, and I don't even own it. Haram. I'm cool, man. I don't need to add anything right now. I'm gonna just ride on these mid-cap gappers with Catalyst. Focus on the one doing the most volume. If it sets up, it sets up. If it don't, come back tomorrow. Keep my money in my pocket. He will weasel it out. uh, it's getting real volatile on the P&L. You aren't selling, I'm paying back. Where am I getting the money to pay it back though, Rob? I'm getting it from this sale, right? Either way, man. Um, you've done your homework. I don't know. It's a nice little area for me to trade in that's not gray, you know, and I don't have to feel wishy washy about it. Confident that what I'm doing is uh, allowed, and also I feel like I have edge in it. Trying to flip to a short, ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. Especially right now, man. I'm getting my groove on. I really am excited to break this plateau right here. It's a lot. Always tempting from the shadows. Yeah. But you gotta sell before you buy, Rob. Um, yeah, man. I gotta break this. We'll have an uptrend then, boy. Watch out now. My P&L chart is pretty crazy. It's like those crypto coins. This look like a meme coin chart. Yeah. May was a crazy time, boy. I got my account down to minus 30 bucks from minus 4,639 one month. And here we are back down to minus 4,500. Sheesh. What a journey, man. To actually make it and look back. It almost feels unrealistic. Mm, yeah. It's actually really cool, like understanding that the thing between me and succeeding at this is conquering myself. Like I 100% believe that when I conquer myself, I will succeed. And conquering myself is one, getting myself to do enough work. And I really think that's it, man. But the work leads the work leads to not taking the trades that I normally take. Cause I just don't see it. Like I just don't see where I would buy. I just don't see it anymore. It's like I've invalidated all these theses that I used to come up with. What up, Focus? Take myself out of the equation? What you mean, bro? Expound on that, sir. Most men are too weak. Yeah, for sure, man. For sure. I had my nephew hit me up the other day, man, and asked me for some advice. I was very impressed. I feel like this generation doesn't really ask for advice. Like it's like the fake it till you make it generation or something. But He was like, I've been working on myself, trying to elevate, and I'm getting lonely. Like, I feel like I'm alone. I was like, bro, that's a sign you heading in the right direction, man. Because most people are not working on themselves, and most people are not growing. So as soon as you start doing that, you're gonna separate yourself quickly from everybody else, and you're gonna make everybody else uncomfortable. Actually, you know. So yeah, man, you just gotta stick it out until you find your new set of people, on your new level. Yeah, he's I was very impressed, man. I was very impressed. So we had a nice little talk, man. But yeah, just like keep your head down and grind, and you're gonna find your new people. You gotta leave them old people behind, man. Most people don't reflect, don't work on yourself, none of that stuff. Yeah, man. The pod, bro. Legendary, man. Oh my god. I can see it right now, man. Sitting on Be the Trader. So what was it exactly, man, would you say that helped you turn the corner? The pod, man. Helping me see the things I couldn't, pushing me to do the work that I wasn't doing. Straight like that. Still so much to do, man. Still so much to do. Um, but man, I've been going through with my iPad. Another no trade day, Pond. Been going through with my iPad and screenshotting my charts, marking them up and uploading them to my journal. I got a lot of lessons out of this one, man. 3 highs, climactic rejection at the top, super huge wick, followed by a lower high. Like so many flags to invalidate that trade. Like, bet more. I will. As soon as we get everything lined up, man, I'm definitely I'm not scared of risk. I just it has to be placed appropriately. Trey catching strays. Dang, Knives. We're all friends here. We're all friends here. But yeah, man, it just wasn't nothing, I'm trying to be uptrend Pond. And just wasn't no uptrends today, man. What are you gonna do? Can't bet more on a downtrend. But yeah, I really want to go through and just have all this stuff filled up with tags. And yeah, that's my work right now. Just going through these charts, uploading my scribbles on my iPad, breaking it down. It's getting frustrating because I'm like, bro, why would you take this trade? What are you even thinking about right now? Look at that. Sellers take control here. Got light volume on the retracement. It's just what's the 5 looking like? Yeah, bro. Straight down trending on the 5. But the meme lord, I guess we'll never know. Too bad you can't use memes in YouTube chat. That would be fun. Yeah, for sure, Bobby. I'm really uh I'm really excited about that. Like when I see what I'm looking for, man, man, smarter than the machine. Um, Shoot, I started to buy Riot. Not started to, but I was watching Riot pre-market. It was a lot of good setups pre-market, and so I was definitely expected pullback after the open because it was just so much buying going on in pre-market right before the open. Yeah, no doubt. Yeah. I mean, bro, I've been just looking through my calendar, man. It's just like the amount of green days to red, like 7 trades red and ending red, you know, 9 trades ending red, 7 trades ending red, 5 trades ending red. It's like, bro, no way those were all legitimate trades. I just most of my losses when I go through my journal, they're avoidable. Like I got rules in place and processes to keep me out of them. But them demons, man, it's like I want to take it anyway. What if though? It could work. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it does. It goes from here, even even though there's hella sellers and it's below support. You know, just be willing to try it. Just try it out. It's just a R. Gotta miss a few to make a few. Yeah, no doubt. But I just really believe I can get to 60%. And I really want to get to. I mean, the percentage doesn't really matter. But Green Month got him comfy. For 1.4 R Green Month. Definitely not comfy, man. This is like nothing. This is a month filled with errors and mistakes and bad trading. And honestly, the only reason I was able to pull it out is because I upped my risk. And I just happened to be kind of getting my act together in the midst of that. But I lost all this money at $5 risk. And then I went up to 10. And bro, this day right here, 76.68 off $10 risk, man. These be pretty cool days. 5.4 R, 3.2 R. Comfy as in not needing to trade every day. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's like if on my good day I can pull one of these out. I mean, even like 2-3 R, bro, is fine. 2-3 R is fine. Like I really want to be content with 2 to 3 R and not feel like I need to hunt for another trade. Um, yeah, and also being willing to just stick to my scanner. That's another huge thing too, man. When the scanner's empty and I start just going around, like I introduce so many other variables into my trading when I do that that I'm not thinking about, conscious of, don't have rules from. Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, this day was really awesome. I really think this is the best trade of my career so far, and still lots of room for improvement. But just R wise, and just adding and selling, you know, pretty cool, man. But my sell rules, I sold this high, then sold that high, pulled back, bought, and then sold this high again, and pulled back, bought, and then sold this high again. Just like literally selling all the places that I'm supposed to sell, except for on this first one. I could have sold up here for sure, but it didn't get to the high, so you know, not super mad about it. 2R times 20 trading days, yeah, no doubt, no doubt. Man, appreciate it, Bobby. Slow and steady. Yeah. Yeah, it's just like it's bro, fighting back the desire to just make a whole bunch of money in one day. Like that's a huge demon, you know? Gotta have it today and just not now I've kind of shifted to the month. Like I really want to have a good month and good weeks. So a 40R month, yeah, bro. Super possible. Super possible. Yeah. It's like I want to give it room to pull back to support if it needs to, but I really don't want to trade a red day. Like if it's red on the daily below the close, honestly, it's like why ain't they want to buy it at the open? You know, 5 minute closed red, 15 minute closed red. Like, dang, nobody want it. Just let it go, man. Let it go. Yeah, when I look down at my daily chart and that joker got a big red candle, just let it go, man. Who bought WWR? Is that Rob? um, WWR. Westwater Resources. Yeah, I'm definitely not opening the broker back up. Oh, that's trouble. Trouble, trouble. This looks like trash. Somebody was trading this today. Trinash. Oh, was this a 3 day squeeze y'all was looking at? Yeah, it bounced. Oh, this is a super cheap joint. This one of yours, huh? Float too big. 115 million? Oh, that is a big float for us for small cap, huh? Sexy. Risking 1 hour tomorrow. Yeah. Took smooth off. 57 to 62. $1 million a minute. You got any 3-day squeezes you looking at for tomorrow, Trey? I guess I don't need to worry about that. Never mind. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna just go on and lock in and get profitable on my mid cap gaps. Then I'll start rolling to the Webull account. Yeah. All right, y'all. Well, I'm gonna get out of here, man. Um, yeah, man. Good day. Big dub. See what happens tomorrow, man. Maybe we'll get something. Anyway, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. I'll let y'all tomorrow. Peace.